Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following does not accurately describe your company's camera run business and operations? The correct answer to the question is, the company makes the majority of the needed camera components that facilities close to its Taiwan assembly plant. Newly produced protected camera components are transferred by truck on just in the time basic to the company's camera assembly facilities where the company operates a 250% assembly line capable of turning out 3025 cameras per hour, and there is ample space at the cameras assembly facility to add two more 250% assembly lines should they be needed later to fill incoming buyer orders. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.